How to buy Polkadot cryptocurrency tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can purchase the Polkadot token, which is known as DOT, and there are two different ways, and I will show you all of the basic steps that you need to get started. So let's get into it. Now, Polkadot is popular for a few reasons because first off, it supports clean energy, it is very secure, it also has user-driven governance and easy blockchain innovation, as well as economic scalability, and it has true interoperability, which enables it to create asset or data and not just tokens. So to get started, the platform that we're going to be using is Binance. Now, Binance is one of the largest crypto exchanges, and you can purchase Polkadot on Binance or any other marketplace of your choice. There are a few things that you will need. First off, when you're going to be creating your account on Binance or any other cryptocurrency platform, in one way or another, you have to give proof of identification. So when you're going to create your account on Binance, I already have an account, but you're going to see in your identification section over here, you're actually going to have to give a personal identification. So you have to either give your government issued ID, a passport, a driver's license, something along those lines to make sure that you're an actual person and not just someone creating spam accounts or anything like that. So you will have to verify your personal identity, and that is something that is lost in the major reasons that you buy cryptocurrency is to make sure that you remain anonymous. And that is true, you will remain anonymous, but when you have the Binance account and that Binance account is verified with your personal identity, then anonymity goes down the drain. So you will have to deal with that and bear with that. Now, once you have created your Binance account, so you're just going to go on to Binance.com, and on your top right over here, I have logged onto my account, but you're going to find the register form and you're going to click on register over there. And once you click on register, just fill out your email address and the password for your Binance account, and then they're going to ask you for a verification. You're just going to verify that. And once you do that, you're ready to buy and sell on your Binance account. So what you're going to do to get started to buy Polkadot is there are two basic ways that you can buy Polkadot. So first off, you can click on buy crypto over here. And then you have multiple different ways that you can buy crypto. The simplest way is credit or debit card. So you're going to click on credit or debit card. And then you can see you can enter the amount of USDC, and then you're going to change this from BTC to, so you're going to select DOT from over here, and then you're just going to enter whatever amount of DOT you might want to buy or whatever amount of dollars you want to spend. So $100 would give me 12.253851 Polkadot. So I can just go ahead and buy that and just click on continue over here. Once I click on continue, I can just enter my card information and I will receive DOT. Now, you might be wondering, hey, this is so nice, I'm getting Polkadot so easily with my credit card. Well, although this is the simplest method, you might be overpaying for Polkadot. So you can see the estimated price. I'm getting it for around $8.4. And the other way that I'm going to show you to actually purchase Polkadot is going to be a way that might cost you less. So for that, you can also do a bank deposit to buy Polkadot, but it is going to give you the same price for DOT. And you can also go into your wallet on the top right over here. Click on your wallet overview, click on deposit, and then you can deposit any pre-existing cryptocurrency and then exchange that for DOT. And if you don't have any pre-existing cryptocurrency, now what I recommend is trading for Polkadot. So you're going to click on fiat deposit over here. Select your currency and click on continue over here. Enter the amount of USDC that you want, and then you will receive BUSD. So BUSD is basically a currency-backed crypto token, and it is the Binance token. So it is the Binance USD. It's basically a correspondent for dollars, and you're just going to enter the amount that you want. So I would receive 100 BUSD once I input 100 USD. Now, after you have done that, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and click on trade over here. And you can also go ahead and click on Binance Convert, but that is also going to give you a high rate of exchange. So let's say that you have BUSD, and then you're going to convert it into DOT. And then we're going to go with $100. You're going to click on preview conversion. So it's going to give you the same yield. You're getting one DOT for around 8.1 BUSD. Now, the way to get it at a lower price is that you're going to go ahead and click on trade and click on spot trade. And you might be wondering, hey, I don't want to do any trading. I just want to buy Polkadot. Well, it's very simple, and I will explain this to you step by step. Now, Once you have opened up the spot trading graph over here, you're going to click on your top right and click on dot, search dot, and search dot by BUSD. So this is the chart for dot slash BUSD, and the current price is $8.1 as we just saw. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down over here, and then you're going to click on spot on the left over here. Once you click on spot, you can add a limit order. Now, what is a limit order? So a limit order is basically the current price is 8.1, and what I can do is when the price jumps to $8. So when the price jumps to $8, I want to buy 12 dots. So you can add however many dots you want or however much total BUSD you want to spend. And then you're going to click on buy dot over here. And then what this will do is that at the bottom, you're going to see your open order over here. And then when the price of dot is $8 on the exchange, you're going to receive dot for the price that you entered. And this will enable you to buy dot at a lower price or buy any other crypto token at a lower price than the average price that you would be paying via card payments or via a simple bank transfer. So it's pretty simple, just like that. You can scroll down and you can see on the top left, you have the price that people are buying dot at. On the bottom left, you have the price that people are offering to buy dot at. So this is the price that people are selling dot, and this is the price that people are purchasing dot. And you can see it's going in red. And with cryptocurrencies, because they are so volatile, like let's zoom in into the 1-day graph. Now you can see over here that sometimes the price is going to jump up and jump down a few dollars in every day, and when you're buying hundreds and thousands of worth of cryptocurrency, this can actually matter a lot. So to get the lowest price on Polkadot, you're just going to enter that, and even $8 is a bit high. You can see the current price is at 8.1, so you can add a order for 7.9. And then just like that, you're going to enter at the bottom. You can choose the total USD you want to spend. So let's say we want to spend 100 BUSD at the price of 7.9, and we're getting more Polkadot. So that will enable you to buy more dot for the same price. And depending on the trade margin that you get, usually you can get like a couple of dollars less on the spot trading graph. Now, in the same manner, you can also choose to sell your cryptocurrency. So let's say when the price jumps to 8.9. So let's say we want a $1 difference, and then you can choose to sell however many dot that you want. So let's say we want to sell $100 worth. So you can go ahead and choose to sell $100 worth of dot when the price jumps up to 8.9. So this will enable you to be able to make money off of a very simple and very sustainable way. So you can purchase a currency or a token in the simplest fashion possible. Now, although buying crypto directly from your credit or debit card might seem like it's so simple and easy, you definitely are paying the premium for it. And if you're just going to spend an extra 5 minutes to input a limit spot order on the spot trading graph, you will have no risk, plus you will be getting the cryptocurrency token at the lowest price. So over here we did Polkadot, but you can apply this method on any other crypto token that you want. So that was it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you in the next video.